Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. Are you a sales manager working with channel of distribution mode of sales? Yes? Okay. Then I have this video for you. In channel of distribution of sales, we distribute or we divide our tertiary counters into A category, B category and C category counters, and as per Pareto's rule, 80% of my business normally comes from A category counters. Now here is a dilemma. Most sales managers try and focus 95% of their time on the A category counters, especially because it gives them 80% of the business. And they feel that by giving that incremental time, they would be able to drive business. Now please understand, my honorable sales managers of channel of distribution, that in this examination of channel of distribution, you have two papers of 100 marks each. One, a paper of 100 marks is how do you manage and consolidate the sales of A category channel. And the second paper is how do you manage your B and C category counters to maximize business in B and C category counters. Now in my career as a sales consultant, I have seen so many of sales managers who get 100 out of 100 in the first paper, which is managing and consolidating the sales figures of the A category channel. But do you understand your plight if you get poor marks in the second paper, which is managing B and C category counters? And when I talk to sales managers, they often tell me that, Sanjay, why do I need to invest my time on B and C category counters? Because after all, they would not give me more than 10% of my target. If I put the same time on A category counter, maybe I can improve my business there. And that's where you commit a crime. Because please understand friends, your A category counters have already reached the pinnacle of their sales potential, and the only thing you're expected to do is maintain their sales. But you need to be very forthcoming and outright in your handling of B and C category counters so that at the end of the year, when you sit down and calculate how many C category counters became B category counters for you and how many B category counters could become A category counters because of your sales effort, I'm sure you'll understand the essence of this video. So next time you go to the market, please understand you have got two papers, and even if you score 100 out of 100 in the first paper, do not ignore your second paper, which comprises of B and C category counters. In my upcoming videos, I'll tell you what exactly you need to do with your B and C category counters to maximize sales there. For now, if you have liked this idea, go down and click on the subscribe button on the bell icon so that my love story with you on sales is never ending.